Alright, welcome to another daily vlog. We're going to start doing these all the time now because we're getting busier and busier. We've got another 50 hectares to do. So I thought I'd show you, but just at the moment, in the case, the new case, 120M. We've got a fertiliser hop on the back. We're running GPS. You see we've still got some fur in there. But yeah, so what I thought I'd do, get in the cab and have a little chat, and then we'll go from there. All right, now we're in the cab. You can see the setup we've got. So what we've got, it's got a new case display. This just tells you your PTO speeds, etc. Then we've got GPS. So this is how many hectares we've done in this field at the moment. Then we've got the spreader controls here. All the obviously your normal buttons that you have, and obviously we do vineyards, so we're in vineyards. These are long rows, but and there you can see my point of view of a hopper. But what let me do is I'm going to put you down and we'll carry on. All right, this is just a little bit of a point of view type thing. So all we got to do is that when the PTO's on, as you can see there, the GPS is on, we just hit go and we drive. We can actually go. One thing I like about fertilizing is the speed you can go. So we're doing, as you can see, 14.7k. The spreader's completely automatic, so if I speed up, the spreader knows. As you can see, the GPS is leaving a green line, so that shows where we've been. At the moment, that's set at a 3 metre line, as we're doing every other row. And then there's the hopper. And it's what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. So like I said, so far we've done about 28 hectares today. We'll be finishing off in a minute, and then tomorrow we're on the big field. So if you are about, please subscribe and catch in tomorrow's episode where I'll do a bit more detail of what we're doing. But this is more just a quick tour of what's going on at the moment, and it's just showing you a slight insight to the jobs we're doing. If anyone does know of any other content you'd like to see on tractors, whether it be inside, outside, tours, how things work, please put in the comments and I'll respond to everyone, because I do like to hear everyone's input of what you want next. So, but anyway, I'm going to leave it now, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Everyone, have a wonderful Monday.